Today I'm going to demonstrate how we upload an Excel spreadsheet into Pyramid to create a model. There are a number of ways of doing it. I'm going to show you two. The first thing we're going to do is show you the Excel spreadsheet that I've made that we're going to upload. It's a very simple one. It has two columns, an ID column and an amount. So we'll click the model button, we'll click Start from File, we'll search for it, and here it is. We'll give it a new name, and we will untick Add Time Intelligence simply because we saw that there is no times in there, no dates and no time values. It's just numbers, and we'll click Build. And there you have it. We've got one dimension, which is our ID, followed by amount. Well, Pyramid thought that the ID is also a measure, so we can fix that up and remove it from there, but essentially that's it. The next way I'm going to demonstrate is if I go back to Home, I'm going to click the model button from the menu there, click Advanced Data Flow. So we're going to drop the Excel source onto the page, and we're going to, as you can see, there are a number of options that you can choose when selecting your Excel file source, whether it's uploaded, shared, or URL. We're going to choose uploaded in this case, and again we're going to go and find our Excel spreadsheet and upload it. The next step is to add a select node, and it's inside this select node where we can adjust the data. We can change the type, we can select what we want to include in this data set. Well, we're happy to include everything, and it's all looking good. The next step is to attach a target. In this case, we're going to do an in-memory target. We draw a connector. So the next thing to do is to validate our model. And we see there are errors. So the reason being in this case is that we haven't named our database. So we're going to name it test 04. If we try validate, it's all good. The next step is to look at the data model and make sure it's all okay. It's good. We click save, name it test 02, some crazy naming convention here, and finally we're going to build it. And if we build only the data flow, we will get everything but the model, or but the data itself. So we're going to build the data flow and the model, and this way we get the whole thing. It will also automatically launch the discovery tool, so you can start analyzing your data straight away. And as you can see, we get the same result as we did earlier. So the advanced mode, you can update the information that's in the spreadsheet. You can format it differently, and you can also select different columns as needed. And that is it.